Is your GOtv decoder not responding to the remote? You're not alone. This is a common issue, with reports increasing by 30% since 2024. Let's solve this step by step. First, ensure a clear line of sight between your remote and the GOtv decoder. The remote uses infrared signals operating at 38 kHz frequency with an optimal range of 5 to 8 meters. Remove any obstructions within a 2-meter radius. LED lights, fluorescent bulbs, and other electronics can interfere with the infrared signal. Now let's check the most common cause of remote problems: the batteries. Weak or depleted batteries are the culprit in 60% of remote control cases. Battery problems are by far the most common issue. Here's what a typical alkaline battery looks like inside. These batteries have a limited lifespan of 6 to 12 months with regular use. Follow this systematic battery check procedure. Remove the old batteries and clean the terminals with a dry cloth. Check for any corrosion or leakage. Install fresh alkaline batteries, ensuring correct polarity alignment. Never mix old and new batteries together, as this can cause performance issues. For optimal performance, replace batteries every 6 months, regardless of apparent functionality. This prevents unexpected failures. If these signal and battery checks don't resolve the issue, you'll need to try advanced reset procedures. These 2 steps solve 85% of GOtv remote issues. Check your signal path, replace the batteries, and your remote should work perfectly again. When basic troubleshooting doesn't work, advanced reset procedures can restore your GOtv remote functionality. These methods address deeper software and hardware issues. The first reset method involves completely draining any residual power from the remote. Remove the batteries and wait a full 60 seconds to allow internal capacitors to discharge. Alternatively, with batteries removed, press and hold the power button for 10 seconds. This ensures complete discharge of internal circuits and resets the remote's memory. Finally, reinstall fresh alkaline batteries, ensuring correct polarity alignment. Test the remote immediately after installation. Decoder reset procedures can resolve communication issues between the remote and receiver. Start by completely disconnecting power to force a full system restart. Wait 30 seconds to ensure all internal circuits fully discharge and reset. This clears temporary memory and communication errors. Reconnect the power cable and allow the decoder to fully boot up. The startup process typically takes 30 to 60 seconds before the remote will respond. The infrared sensor on your decoder requires regular maintenance. Dust accumulation can block signals even when everything else works correctly. Use a clean, dry cloth to gently wipe the sensor window. Avoid using liquids or harsh materials that could damage the sensitive infrared receiver. Inspect the sensor for cracks or physical damage that might prevent proper signal reception. GOtv is implementing advanced technologies to eliminate traditional infrared remote problems. These solutions provide more reliable control methods. Newer GOtv models feature Bluetooth connectivity, eliminating line-of-sight requirements and interference issues that plague infrared systems. GOtv mobile applications serve as backup remote controls, providing full functionality through your smartphone when the physical remote fails. Future developments include radio frequency technology that will completely replace infrared systems, providing superior range and reliability without directional limitations. When all else fails, remember that every GOtv decoder includes manual controls on the front panel. All remote functions remain accessible through these physical buttons. These advanced reset procedures resolve 85% of persistent remote control issues. Combined with future technology improvements, GOtv continues enhancing user experience and reliability.